Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm continuing the trend of posting smartphone videos on this channel. Today I'm going to be discussing the OnePlus 8T. I'm going to be going on their website, looking at the main specifications that they list, and giving you my honest feedback. Leave a comment down below what you think about this. If you agree, you like this device, smash the like button. If you disagree, leave a dislike on this video. And leave a comment down below what phone you want me to take a look at in the future. Hopefully I can get my hands on a bunch of these smartphones so I can do like full in-depth reviews and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's hop into the OnePlus 8T. Let me just go to my screen here. I'm on OnePlus's website, and they're really emphasizing the whole ultra fast charging and ultra smooth scrolling, because I do believe this has 90 hertz. And it's available for pre-order, right? Oh, I'm sorry, it has 120 hertz. I was mistaken with that. Oh, it even lets you move this around. I don't know why, but pre-order starts October 14th, which is in the past. It's currently the 22nd, so I'm a little late on that. But yeah, this is the predecessor to the 8 and the 8 Pro. It's actually less expensive at $749. The 8 Pro is $799 or $800. Man, they really want you to like. This is really weird, honestly. I kind of like it though. So 120 hertz fluid display, so everything moves super smooth. Love it. Warp charge 65. Meet our fastest ever charging. 1 day's power in 15 minutes. No nonsense. That's kind of insane. I'm guessing that's 65 watts of charging capabilities. Pretty sick. Snapdragon 865 with 5G, not the plus version, but it has 5G, and that's all that matters. I wouldn't buy a phone for 5G. I'm kind of against 5G, but if you guys love 5G, go for it. 48 megapixel quad camera. That's a lot of megapixels. Perfect for people, places, and pets. Seeing really is believing. I trust you, OnePlus. My housemate actually has a OnePlus phone, so that's why I'm kind of interested in this. Comes in aquamarine green, lunar silver, and I don't know why it says product video there, but I'm digging it. It's kind of like a minty color, and then also like this nice silver color. Pretty solid, pretty solid. Yep. Oh man, they're really okay. So it's got 6.55 inches AMOLED display with 120 hertz. I believe it's 1080p. We'll find out shortly. Color that pops and never stops. HDR10 plus. I'm digging this phone. This is really sick. Over 1,000 nits of brightness, so it should get plenty bright enough out in sunlight. Okay, I trust your certifications. Okay. So much speed, it's actually amazing. They really push their speed. Oh my god, it's got 45 milliamp hour battery. That's pretty massive. Warp charge 65. I don't know if I buy that whole... Oh, it's got in-display fingerprint sensor as well. Man, this is an enticing phone. This is very enticing. It's $750. It's better than any Apple phone I've looked at, I'll say that for sure. Oh, so you can actually use it. OnePlus buds. Avoid the clutter and tangled cables. Warp charge 65. More than just the OnePlus 8T. The 65-watt charger can also... Oh, so it can charge other devices, especially like a tablet. That's pretty sick. I know about the 865. It's an insane processor. And it's got good cooling. Love it. And it vibrates a lot. I hear the OnePlus haptic engine has gotten a lot better, and this apparently has enhanced haptic 2.0. Before, only iPhones really had good haptic feedback. However, other Android devices are honestly on par with Apple, or actually even ahead of it. But dive into an ocean of expansive 3D soundscape with full Dolby Atmos. Is there anything that's not on this phone, honestly? And it's got a mute switch still. I trust that the speakers are good from OnePlus, honestly. Yeah, I don't really care about gaming. Design perfection, looks good, feels great. Yeah, it's got night mode and all this stuff and good. A bunch of different cameras. I'm not going to focus on that though. It runs Oxygen OS 11, which is very stock Android, which I like. Always on display, great. Magazine, look, gallery, okay. That's it. Let me just come back here, back to my webcam. That's a great phone. I highly recommend that phone for $750, $749. I think that's worth it. Go out, buy a OnePlus 8T. I recommend it. It gets the Life Made Easy seal of approval. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And leave a comment down below what you thought of this phone. And I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video.